Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Nasir Soft. In this video, I am going to show you how you can apply the auto increment in MS Excel. So for example, this is my basic sheet and inside the serial number, I want to add the counting 1, 2, 3 or serial number 1, 2, 3 to up to now. Okay. So here on the first cell here we enter 1 and inside the second cell here we basically place a formula. The formula is very simple, that is equal to, and then click on the previous cell and the previous cell plus 1. Okay, it means that increment inside in the previous cell and then drag and drop this to the where you want up to that. Okay, here you can see that the auto increment is applied. This is very simple. Thanks for watching.
This is one of our demo project. We have a dedicated team in web developing, charts, data analysis, dashboard developing and many more, including mobile developing. So if you want any similar or different work, so in the video description click on show more, and inside this is the contact or order link. Click on this and inside this link fill your criteria like first name, your email, that is mandatory. You will be contacted on this email address, okay, which you provide, your query messages, or you can attach any file including png or zip or anything, okay, and click on the send, click to send, okay, your message will be sent and you will further contacted on your email.